Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers all sorts of Mitsubishi stuff, and today we'll have a look at this. It's a 2023 fully loaded white diamond Eclipse Cross GT. So in Canada, the top of the line trim level for Eclipse Cross is GT. I'm not sure, to be honest, how it's in other parts of the world. Maybe if you know, leave a comment. But Eclipse Cross, unlike RVR, ASX is called the same throughout the all the regions. So at least that is good and not confusing at all. So this Eclipse Cross is entire world, it calls it Eclipse Cross. So this here, fully loaded, has leather, sunroof. We'll have a look at the interior in a second. Just a very quick glance here at the exterior. I really like how all these rocker panels are body color painted, and specifically this white diamond looks extremely sharp with all the black elements. We have these lower bumper part is gloss black, looks extremely sharp in contrast with you know, the white diamond color. And of course we have dynamic shield you know, installed in chrome from the factory, which gives you this Mitsubishi DNA. And this Eclipse Cross hood emblem, so that's something we put after the fact here in dealership. You can find these hood emblems at mrmitsubishi.ca. Free shipping to most places. And also this side molding, this black side molding, is something we put on later on here when we do the pre-delivery inspection. We put them on. Again, this side molding as well, you can find in my accessory store, mrmitsubishi.ca. So we'll have a look in a second how the rest of the exterior looks and the trunk space. But for now, let's check out the interior. And as we open the door, we can see how cool this vehicle looks. So very good combination of sporty versus classy looks. So we have these nice shiny elements around the vehicle on the door panel right here. This, by the way, is soft to touch right here. This one as well, where the armrest goes. Everything else is this one is not completely hard plastic, but hard-ish plastic. This one is hard plastic. So good panel doors. Then the seats right here, so we can see how they're nice looking full leather seats, power driver seat, of course. And as we jump in, so here we can see the steering wheel. This is the, you know, the classic Mitsubishi steering wheel. Nice shiny elements around here. And then again, throughout the vehicle, we have this, you know, classic looks versus modern looks, you know, these aluminum elements. And then we have this shiny around the shifter part right here. So looks very cool. I really like how this interior looks in Eclipse Cross. And being the fully loaded GT, we have this dual panel sunroof. So this one opens up, this one doesn't. So this one is just for that extra light. This one actually opens up as well, but it looks very cool. In a second, we'll check out how it looks from the second row. So we have extra light coming here, and we can see this one right here. Being the GT, the top trim level. Okay, let's push it and start it. So we have all the options, and we have head-up display as well. You can see how this head-up display opens up like this, right? So it's like you know, fighter jet or something. So you press it and it comes out. So I kind of would prefer that it displays directly on the windshield, just like it does on the new Mitsubishi Outlander, but it doesn't. So it is what it is. So here we can see the speed. And yeah, the dials, we have the classic looking dials, so it's not a full-on LCD screen. So I'm sure very soon Eclipse Cross is gonna get some interior upgrades, so it'll be technology-wise and screen-wise and button-wise very similar to where the Outlander is heading. So we can see all the safety features are right here. We have the buttons to deactivate them if we choose so. Very nice solid shifter as well, so we can put it in drive and reverse. I like that it's an actual good size shifter instead of like button or dial or anything like that. That part, I really like it a lot. Heated seats, of course, and this is the all-wheel control. So super all-wheel control, we can actually choose through a normal, snow and gravel mode. So we can select whatever is the best for us. This one has touchscreen with embedded navigation, so we have nice navigation in here as well. We can zoom in, zoom out, do whatever we want. Paddle shifters, of course, to imitate the gear shift. So okay, let's check out from the second row, then we'll have a look at the trunk space, and then we'll do another visual look on the vehicle. So this is how the second row looks. Let's jump in. Good amount of space here. I'm 6'2", and I still can find my comfortable driving as a passenger position here. So this is how we have this secondary sunroof, and this one opens up, so it looks pretty good, gives you this extra brightness. And this is how the interior looks. I really like the looks of Eclipse Cross interior and all the features it comes with. So there we go. Check out the exterior right now. Same thing as from the front. So from the rear we have all these rocker panels. We can see our body color painted, and this lower bumper part is nice, shiny, contrasts a lot with the white color. And I really like how Eclipse Cross rear looks right now after the redesign. It looks very, very sharp. Let's check out what's going on with trunk space. Pop the trunk. Only thing to keep in mind, the trunk does not have the power trunk option. As weird as it is, on a fully loaded you still have to manually close it, so that's something to keep in mind. Good cargo cover, and very good area for cargo space. So there's lots that can go in. So for a visual reference, these are the floor mats, your typical size floor mats, and that's how they look when you place them on the in the trunk there. And let's close it now. There we go. Boom. That one is locked. And let's have a look at the side view again. So this one has a very good contrast, I would say, between everything that's going on, especially with white diamond. We can see how around the wheel wells we have plastic, but then the rocker panels are color painted, and this white pearl color, like, it shines so nice. And then we have, the roof rails are glossy black, and we have a little bit of a chrome here around the window. Everything just works really good with this Eclipse Cross. The engine is 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder. You have only one engine option, so Mitsubishi makes it easy for you. So that's what you get, and that's it. So there we go. We just checked out this beautiful Eclipse Cross GT. I really like how it looks. So thanks again for watching this video, and see you next videos.